I'm gonna make a nest.
But why?
I wanna incubate my eggs and have babies. Seems there is nothing much for nest. I am feeling so broody. There is nothing to do outside. I want to go back to coop. There is nothing much on ground today.
Wow, it's yummy. You should eat this with me. See how beautiful sunny day it is.
I am done eating now, you finish it.
Yeah, no, you are broody. But there are no eggs for you to sit on. And to be honest, there are many chicks already. You can play with them if you want.
I know, but I want my own. I want my own chicks.
Yeah, but not this time. You better go rest. I am so hungry. They have mixed something new in feed. And it's so delicious.
There are no bugs here.
What's this?
I'm gonna see chicks now.
Hey, you can't eat this, it's outside.
I am gonna dust bath now, feeling so lazy. Soil looks so good. Wow, it's lovely. There is nothing better than dust bath and sunny day. Feeling sleepy now. Don't disturb me. I have finished eating already. Go away and give this to Pilu.